Hi everyone, welcome to our podcast. I'm Holid as your host today. Today we're going to talk about something that every living creature depends on nature. Nature provides us with clean air, fresh water, food, and beautiful place to enjoy. Unfortunately, environmental problems such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change are becoming more serious every year. I'm very proud to be joined by four wonderful guests, Mr. Cahyo, Mr. Adrian, Mr. Iqbal, and Mr. Hendy. Thank you all for being here today.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you
us.
for having you.
Okay, guys, before we begin our discussion, I'd like each of you to introduce yourself briefly and tell our listener what nature means to you.
Hi everyone, my name is Cahyo. I really enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and cycling. For me, nature is a place where I can relax, refresh my mind, and escape from daily stress. Spending time is in spending time in nature always makes me feel happier and more energetic.
That's wonderful. It sounds like nature has a positive impact on your mental health. And Adrian, what about you?
Hello everyone, I am Adrian. I believe nature is the foundation of life. Trees provide oxygen, rivers provide clean water, and forests are home to countless animals and plants. Without healthy ecosystem, human life would be possible.
Very true. We often take this thing for granted. And Iqbal, how
Mm.
do you see
To,
nature?
to be honest, I wasn't always interested in environment issues. I used to think throwing away one plastic bottle wouldn't make any difference. I believe it someone else will clean it up. But after learning about plastic pollution, I realized that there's millions of people thinking the same way create a whole problem.
That's a powerful realization. And Handy, what does nature mean to you?
For me, nature is our shared home. Every human, animal, and planet depends on it. If we don't protect it today, future generations may not experience the same beautiful environment that we enjoy now.
Environmental issue seems to become more serious every year. And Adrian, could you explain some of the biggest challenge we face today?
Of course, one of the biggest problem is plastic pollution. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in river and ocean. Many marine animals accidentally eat plastic or become trapped in it. And another serious issue is deforestation. Forests are cut down for agriculture, mining, and urban development. This destroys wildlife habitats and increases carbon emission. And finally, climate change is causing more extreme weather, rising temperatures, floods, droughts, and stronger storms.
Those are certainly major concern. Mr. Cahyo, have you noticed any environmental change around your hometown?
Yes, I have. The weather has become much less predictable. Sometimes it's extremely hot for several weeks, and then suddenly we experience heavy rain and flooding. I also noticed that some rivers and rivers are become dirty because of littering.
And Iqbal, what made you start caring about these issues?
I watched the documentary showing sea turtle and birds trapped in plastic waste. It made me realize that our everyday habits can have serious consequence. Since then, IV started reducing plastic use and cleaning up litter whenever I can.
That's a great example of how education and change people attitudes. Many people believe environmental problems are too big to solve. And Handy, do you agree?
Not really. I believe every small action matters. If one person reviews a plastic bag, it may seem insignificant, but if millions of people do the same, the impact becomes enormous.
Exactly. We don't have to do extraordinary things. We can simply separate recyclable waste, save electricity, conserve water, and plant more trees.
School can also encourage students to enjoy environmental programs like clean up campaigns, tree planting, or recycling competition.
Uh, Families also play an important role. Parents can teach children not to litter and appreciate nature from an early age.
Those are practical ideas that anyone can start today. Before we move to end of today's podcast, I like each of you to give one piece of advice to our listener.
Okay, spend more times outdoors when you truly enjoy nature. You'll naturally want to protect it.
And educate yourself about environmental issue and share reliable information with your friend and family.
Don't wait for others to make the first move. Every positive action begins with ourse- ourselves.
Work together, communities can organize cleanup activities, tree planting events, and recycling programs. Teamwork creates bigger results.
Before we end today, sorry, before before we end today's discussions, let's each other to share one lesson we've learned.
I've learned that nature improves not only our physical health but also our mental well-being.
And I've learned that protecting biodiversity is essential for human survival.
I feel learned that changing on bad habit can make a positive difference.
I've learned that small action inspire other people to do the same.
Today's conversation reminds us that protecting nature is everyone's responsibility. We don't need to wait for government or large organization. Change start with each of us to sorry, berarti langsung dari sini. Today conversations reminds us that protecting nature is everyone's responsibility. We don't need to wait for governments or large organization. Change start with each of us through simple daily action. As we wrap up today's episode, let's reminder this important message. The earth is not just our home. It is the only home we have. Every bottle we recycle, every tree we plant, every piece of trash we pick up, and every effort to reduce pollution contributes the healthier planet. And thank you so much to Mr. Cahyo, Mr. Adrian, Mr. Iqbal, and Mr. Handy for joining today's discussion.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Oli.
It
It
was
was
Thank
my
you.
so
It
pleasure
was
to
a
be
pleasure
here.
to
to
be
be
here.
here.
And thank you everyone to listening our podcast. We hope this conversation inspire you to take better care of our environment because every small action count. And I'm Holid. See you to next podcast. Protect nature today.
Protect nature today
Protect
for
nature
a
today
Better
better
for
tomorrow.
tomorrow.